Hi everyone, I miss you all. Today we will talk about decimal fractions. So what are decimal fractions? Of course, they are fractions, but there's some property, some characteristic in these fractions to call them decimal. In fact, a decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. So 7 over 10 is one example. The denominator is 10. 7 over 100, 32 over 1000, 20,000, 151 over 10,000. These denominators are 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, etc. Such fractions, we call them decimal fractions. Now, some fractions like 2 over 5, apparently the denominator is not 10, 100,000, etc. But it could be. It could be. If we multiply up and down by 2, it is allowed to multiply up and down by the same number or to divide. Now 2 over 5 multiply up and down by 2, the denominator becomes 10. It becomes 4 over 10. Now it is a decimal fraction. So we say that the fraction 2 over 5 is a decimal fraction because it could be having a denominator of 10, 100,000, etc. Let's have another example. We have 9 over 4. Apparently it is not having a denominator of 10, 100,000, etc. But it could be. How? If we multiply up and down by 25. So I will obtain a denominator equal to 100. So we say that the fraction 9 over 4 is a decimal fraction because it could be changed to a fraction having a denominator of 10, 100,000, etc. However, some fractions are impossible to be changed to a denominator having 100,000, 10, 10,000, etc. These are non-decimal fraction. So look at the fraction 1 over 3. Can I change the denominator to 100 or 10 or 1000? Try. Whatever you have tried, you will not reach. If you multiply up and down, you cannot reach a denominator equal to 10 or to 100 or to 1000. Let's have another example. 2 over 7. Try. You will not reach a denominator equal to 100 or 10 or 1000, etc. These are non-decimal fractions. 11 over 15 is also it is an impossible change to a decimal fraction. We cannot change the denominator into 10, 100,000, whatever we have tried. Some fractions apparently are impossible to be changed to decimal fractions. Observe the fraction 6 over 15. We said before that 15 cannot be changed to 100 or to 10 or to 1000. But if we simplify this fraction, we can simplify up and down by 6 and 15. We can simplify them by 3. I will divide up and down by 3. So I will obtain 2 over 5. So the fraction 6 over 15 is equal to 2 over 5. It is the same. Now 2 over 5, I can multiply it up and down by 2. So I will obtain 4 over 10, which is a decimal fraction. We say that the fraction 6 over 15 is a decimal fraction. Why? Because if we simplify it, then multiply it up and down, we will obtain a decimal fraction. So from the beginning, we say 6 over 15 is a decimal fraction, but it is hidden, it is masked. You need to simplify it, then multiply up and down. Let's have another example. we have 21 over 28. 28 looks impossible to be changed to 10 or 100 or 1000 or so on. But what if we simplify up and down by 7? 28 and 21 are both divisible by 7 from the multiplication table. So we will obtain 3 over 4. Is 3 over 4 a decimal fraction? Can we change it to a fraction having a denominator of 1000? Yes, if we multiply up and down by 25. So I will obtain 75 over 100, which is a decimal fraction. So we say from the beginning the fraction 21 over 28 is a decimal fraction. This is our last example, 9 over 6. 6 could not be changed to 10, 100, 1000, etc. if we multiply it by any number. But if we simplify 9 over 6 by 3 up and down, we will obtain 3 over 2. Now, can we work on 3 over 2? Yes, if we multiply up and down by 5. So 3 times 5 and 2 times 5, we will obtain 15 over 10. Look for that denominator now, it is 10. So we say from the beginning, the fraction 9 over 6 is a decimal fraction. This is how to work on fractions. We need to divide up and down, to multiply up and down in order to obtain a denominator equal to 10 or 100 or 1000. That's all for today. Bye bye.